For all my 4C, 4B hair ladies and anybody that deals with shrinkage, I have found the product for us, and it's called Stretch Cords, and it is going to make your hair stretch like a blowout, sis. Now I'm combing out the hair, but I'm only going to apply the hair cords to one side of the hair so you guys can see the difference. So you want to put the cord as close to your root as possible and tightly wrap it around the hair. This is almost like the African threading method, but to me is a lot easier, a lot faster, and the material is a lot softer on the hair. But do you see the difference already? Like, oh my gosh, like from the twist, the regular twist, and the one that has the cord, like, look, her hair is stretched already. So for the next section, I'm just going to put another one on, and it comes in like 4 different colors: pink, blue, brown, black, as you can see. And you're just going to leave it in overnight, and it's very comfortable to sleep with. So this is the next day, and we are taking them out, and oh my God, do you see the difference already? Like, come on, run and go get these. They come in different sizes, 18 inch and 12 inches. So if you have longer hair, you should probably use the 18-inch one. But look at it, like, look at the difference. You can get these stretch cords at www.hairstretchcords.com or check the link in the bio or the description box.